On top inside Edo today, APC don't donate relief materials give IDPs for Edo. All Progressives Congress National Working Committee, wey na national chairman of the party, Adams Oshomole, na im dey lead am, don donate ogbonge relief materials give internally displaced persons wey dey Uwogwa camp for Edo State. Dis donation follow for the plan wey the party get to take support federal government to remove people for poverty for the country. The Fashional Secretary of Edo APC, Lawrence Oka, wey na im come do the donation on behalf of Adams Aliyu Oshomole, talk say as ruling party wey APC be, dem go continue to dey work with federal government of Nigeria so that dem go fit do their best on top how to fight coronavirus disease.
Chairman Comrade Adams Oshomole mandated us to come and present these 200 bags of rice of 50 kg each to the IDP camp. As you are aware, the IDP camp, they are here as a matter of, it's not of their own will to be here, but by providence, they are here in our state. So he has asked us, on behalf of the National Working Committee of the party, to present this rice to the pastor, whom we know very well as a man of God, for the upkeep of these children. Thank you very much. This is the bag of rice, 200 bags.
I want to thank the national chairman of APC and the National Working Committee who are working with him for coming at this time of great need. We know him very well. When he was governor of Edo State, he was always here. He took care of the IDPs. He built a school for them. And that school today is producing intelligent children. Some of them are already in different universities. Even after he left, he still came here with his wife to visit. He provided relief to the children. So for him at this time to remember them, we thank him a lot. We thank him and we want to say we love him. We appreciate all the good works he has done in this place. God bless you.
Oka talk say national chairman of the party for by himself can't donate these things, but because of the lockdown wey dey for Abuja, he no fit come, but he make sure say these goodies dem reach Edo State.
Chairman Comrade Adams Oshomole, who brought the goods, the rice, 200 bags of rice, of 50 kg each, for the IDP camp. He has directed that on behalf of the National Working Committee of the party for us to come and present it. He hoped to be here himself, but because of the lockdown in Abuja and Lagos, was unable to come. But all the same, have directed us here and the secretary of the party to come and present on behalf of the National Working Committee.
Chris Asebama talk say this thing wey APC National Committee and National Chairman do so na ogbonge thing wey go benefit people wey katakata don make them comot for their house and dem no come get house again.
It is a demonstration of our conviction that we owe a corporate social responsibility to the Nigerian public. The basic function of a political party is to contest and win elections and run governments. But over and above that, we in APC believe that we owe it to the Nigerian public to add value to their life and improve their self-actualization. And so the National Working Committee, led by the National Chairman, Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole, decided that at this time when a lot of people are impoverished, especially people in the IDP, internally displaced persons camp, who have been affected by the ravages of internal strife and have been displaced from their homelands, that whatever is provided by well-meaning Nigerians will give them relief and succor in trying to reorganize their lives and resettle in a new environment. So that's why we are here today, to donate these items on behalf of the National Working Committee of the APC, as directed by the National Chairman, Comrade Oshomole.
Representatives of the internally displaced persons for the camp when I can receive the donation control better thanks give Adams Oshomole for the ogbonge thing wey he do so, and he talks say bless with am well for this better thing wey bring come give them.
Wonderful, and I say wonderful. First of all, this period is very tough, quite challenging, you know, with a lot of needs in this center. And he being when he was governor of Edo State, His Excellency Adams Oshomole, who is now the national chairman of APC and his working committee, you know, that presented this. When he was governor, he took this place as his home. He was taking care of the children. He built a big school for them, secondary school, and that school today is producing, you know, intelligent students for different universities. At the moment, we have more than 64 in different universities studying different courses like medicine, surgery, law and what have you. And again, today is here to come and, fill the gap and meet the needs of the children. So we are very, very happy. We are excited, and we want to show our appreciation to him to say, Daddy, we love you. We thank you for all you have been doing and for the care you are having for the IDPs. At this time, we want to plead with every well-meaning Nigerians. Just like the state government have done, like the national chairman have done, we want all of you to come here and make your own contribution. These IDPs here, they belong to you. They are Nigerians, they are your friends, they are your children, and whatever you do for them now, you are doing for yourself and do it for the future of this nation.
Some of the internally displaced persons self come follow Tori people talk on top how body they do them for the rice where Adams Oshomole don't bring come.
In fact, I am very happy. We thank God for the life of our father, the national chairman, APC chairman, Adams Oshomole. He has been with us. He has been providing for us. He has been coming to visit us, encouraging us in different ways. He has provided school, secondary school for us to go to school. We have attended the school, attended the secondary school. We have made our papers. Some of us are in different universities, Edo University, University of Benin, and all other universities across this nation. And we want to especially appreciate our father, Adams Oshomole, and we appeal that you come to our help for our education, funding, scholarship, and other educational needs in the center and those that are in university.
I thank the national chairman of APC for bringing us food items. We say that we thank you. We need for more help. Now our health center, many things are finishing. We need more help. We need food items. These food items will take us for a few days, but we need another one. That is what we
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say APC don't bring ogbonge goodies come give IDP camps wey dey for Edo State. Make una sabi say this ogbonge informate so na till live media and I'm bring am come give una.